Hi everyone and welcome to ZSTech 0.5, and today we are going to a detailed roadmap and how to make a great career in cybersecurity. It's a very potential branch and having a most opportunities. It's a very big domain to seek opportunities, but it's based upon according to the interest of your. As you all know, digital assets like application and website, mobile apps have their own security, which is not 100% secure. What works in cybersecurity? As a cyber specialist, you will have to find out the loopholes and vulnerabilities and telling the company to fix it as our advisor. So, how can you make a career in this field? You can become a white hat hacker and become an ethical hacker too, as per the interest of your. So now we are jumping to the roadmap of cybersecurity, which is most important. Number one is introduction to cybersecurity. There will be most important topic that I mentioned here. What and why cybersecurity? CIA trade. Full form is that confidentiality, integrity, availability, roles, blue team, red team, key terms, threat, vulnerabilities, exploit, and risk. Number two, we are going to the foundation of cybersecurity, which is most important. You should know in networking, you should learn OSI, TCP, IP model, IP, TNS, ports, and protocols. In OS Basic, you should learn Windows internal Linux commands line. In lab setup, you should install VirtualBox, VMware, and Kali Linux, Ubuntu, and Parrot OS, etc. As per the requirement and a suitable uh, OS system that you want to install it. You have to install it in the virtual box, and you will be doing a hands-on practice day by day. Practice platform, try HackMe, HackTheBox, Pico CTF, PortSwigger Lab for web security, and OneHub for vulnerable machine and hands-on practice. Let's move to the third part and third number, that is security concept. There are many topics according to security concepts like firewall, IDS, IPS, VPNs, proxies, encryption, symmetrics versus asymmetrics, hashing, MD5, and SHA 256, auth 2FA, MFA, and biometric. Let's move to the number four option, that is attack vector. It is most important part of our roadmap that will be having a most important topic in this branch. Number one, malware. You have to learn according to the malware, viruses, worms, ransomware, etc. Phishing, social engineering, DOS, DDoS, MITM, web attacks, skill injection, cross-site scripting, and CSRF, buffer overflow. Let's jump into the number five, tools and skills. What are the tools and which skills are required to learn cybersecurity? Number one, Wireshark, Nmap, Metasploit, Bubsuite, Hashcat, John the Reaper, Netcat, PowerShell, Bash scripting, Splunk, ELK stack. That is most important tools that you should know and having a hands-on practice on that. Let's move to the number six, which is security domains like web security, network, endpoint, cloud mobile, wireless attacks, VEP, and VPA. Secure coding practice. In practice, coding level, programming level practice, having a scripting language. You have to learn about JavaScript and Python. This is most important that will be help you in the future. So yeah, basically, let's move to the number seven. So this is blue team skills. As you are learning about the blue teams, so which tools and concepts are required for learning? That is SIEM tools and threat hunting, incident response, forensics, complaints, ISO, NIST, GDPR, vulnerabilities, and patch management. That is most important thing when you are working like a blue team or learning like a blue team. Let's jump to the number eight option, that is red team skills, which is consist of pen testing, PTES, OSSTMM, recon, exploitation, privileges escalation, and social engineering, CTF, and bug bounty practice. Certification option, I want to tell you one thing that is most important. If you are doing a web development or app development, then you don't really need a certification in that. But if you are going into cybersecurity, then a certification is that will help you a lot in the initial stage of your career. So anyone certification is also important in the field of cybersecurity. Let's move to the number nine, that is certification option. Uh, when you are going to the beginners level, so you should need ISC2 certification, Security Plus, Google Cert, And if you are moving to the intermediate level, so you should need CEH, EJPT. After that, advanced level certification, OSCP, SIP, SIM, CISA. That is most important certification that you should know, and you just have to do any one certification according to your interest. So everything is covered in the roadmap, but something is remaining. That is number 10, which is career paths. How can you make a career in this field? You can make SOC analyst, pen tester, security engineer, incident responder, malware analyst, threat intel, cloud sec consultant, and many more like ethical hacker, white hat hacker. These are the career paths according to your interest you have to make. If you are a beginner, so this video is very helpful to you and your career. You can start journey in cybersecurity. Just take a first step, and after that you will be succeed. In bonus learning strategy, I just mentioned something here. I just mentioned very most important things here, like learn, practice it, reflect it, and share. Use platform like TryHackMe, HTB, Portswigger. Stay update blogs, newsletters, podcast. I also tell you one thing that is most important. You have to make a social accounts. If you are a beginner, so I just tell you one tip also here, that you have to make a social media accounts too, but it is important that you make a LinkedIn account. It is helping your career growth, job opportunities, and all the things. And just make it account and share your articles, your blogs, newsletters according to your field. If you are a cybersecurity field, you have to share daily basis, or if you don't have time, just share a at one time in the week a blog or newsletter. Share your achievement. It will be very helpful to your career, your job opportunities, and everything. Make a good community. So in the last, I just want to tell you, if you want to make more deep dive videos on all these topics, you can mention it in the comments, and I will be making a course on it. So that's all for today. If you want to watch the basic course of Kali Linux, Wireshark, Portswigger Lab, Pico CTF, then I have already made a playlist for it. You can go and check out my playlist. It will also help you in your cybersecurity journey. I hope this video help you into your cybersecurity journey. I hope you build a successful career in this field. Till they keep learning and keep exploring. Thanks.